Okay, so now we're back again, still in the admin in the back end of our website. Again, if you want to access and see what your actual website is looking like, you can click on this little house and it says SS site title. I'll show you how to edit that out in a little bit. That's just kind of a default name that WordPress gives you. But this is what the front end of your website looks like. As you see, it published the post that I made in the last video, and then this standard post that WordPress installed with. It also has all the categories again. I made a category of photography, so any post that I create that has this photography tag, you can click and it'll automatically take you there. Archives, comments, all your recent posts, everything that you'll see on the front end of your website. And again, I know this is kind of basic. We'll get into themes in another video to show you kind of how to manipulate and have your website look the way that you want it to look. So anyway, you'll go back up to your dashboard here in the top left. And now what we'll do, we're going to actually add a new page. So again, you can go new page or pages, add new. Both will take you to the same site or the same area of your site. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create an About Me page. So I'm going to title it About Me. And again, this will be About Me. Now I also want to include some text. So I have some stuff already written in Pages. I'll just copy and paste. Again, you want to make sure that this text is selected, and then you'll just go Command V and it cut off part of this. So let me just type in born, then you can turn it off. So yeah, now you have all your text in here, just like similar kind of setup when you were working with your post. You can see that it's very much a similar view for a page, except a page is a permanent part of your site. So, maybe I want to add some pictures in here. So I'll just click on Add Media. Again, you see that the previous picture of the skyline is already here, which is cool. But you'll just select some files, and then let me see. Maybe I'll add this picture, which was pretty cool. Actually, yeah, how about this one? This is when I was working with the Cincinnati Reds. That was a pretty cool pic of me actually talking. So again, you can caption it. So, Don working with the Cincinnati Reds. Give it a description as well. Producing with talent. Whatever. You can keep it as specific as you want. But yeah, so I'm just going to click insert it. And see now that my clicker or my pointer was actually in the post, it automatically kind of broke this material up and inserted it on the right side. So again, it's on the right side now. If I wanted to change it to the left side, see, now it's on the left. If I wanted to say add something here, again, click Add Media, upload a file. Let's see, maybe I'll do this picture of me with a big cheese. And Again, I'm just going to click it, and then I'm going to edit it because it's not right side up. Oops. There we go. Click save, and then I'll insert it. So see kind of how that works. Again, if I want to move it to the center, I can move it to the center of the page. If I want to move it, say, to the left, again, I can move it there. You know, maybe I want to put that one in the right or on the left and put this one on the right. You know, again, just a way to break it up, kind of whatever, you know, you feel. Now, what's also cool is you can add links to your videos as well. So, for example, let me see. If I want to say link to CET because that's my job, all you'll have to do is find the web address. So again, this is the link to cetconnect.org. Just copy it and then go in your post, highlight what word that you actually want to provide a link to, and then you just click this insert edit link right here. Again, then just paste it, your link. You can add a title if you want. Maybe it's like Cincinnati's PBS member station. You can also give the option of opening the link in a new window. I prefer to keep this unchecked because most people, when you open a link in a new window, they forget about the actual site that they're on, you know, and they go, you know, browsing elsewhere. So I don't normally check that, but you know, it's kind of up to you. And see, now it has this underscore, and then when you mouse over it, it's already telling you that this is Cincinnati's PBS member station based on the description that I gave, which is cool. You know, you can basically point people in the direction that you want them to go. Again, if you want to add more media, you know, or more files, you can add, you know, videos if you want. This is a behind the scenes of the focus set. That's pretty cool. Maybe I'll add that. And then let's see what we'll do. We'll edit the image because again it's upside down. You can crop it, but I'm gonna just leave it at these dimensions for now. I'll call this focus set at CET. Behind the scenes look at ACT production. Again, you can name it however you like, but again, it's pretty cool that it'll break everything up for you. What you also can do is you can also do links to videos straight from YouTube or Vimeo or wherever. So let's see here. Maybe I want to do a link to, let's see, what was I listening at? Oh, Jalen and Jacoby. This is actually pretty good. podcast. So all you do is just copy the link and then you paste it, and see, now you have a YouTube video directly on your page. So again, if you uploaded something to, say, like your portfolio page, you can put your videos on there. If you did a post, where you're like, hey, I just saw this cool video on YouTube, want you to check it out, you can write a quick post and then copy and paste the video of the post that you're talking about. Same kind of concept. So yeah, very, very, similar type of circumstance. And again, you don't have to worry about any coding or anything like that. Once you're kind of happy with everything, you just save the draft, and again, you can preview it before you actually publish it. So again, about me at the top, you see this has my picture. If you click it, you can go to full screen. My link here to CET, and see how it takes me to CET, so that works nice. And then also you have your link to your YouTube videos, again, Vimeo videos, even SoundCloud links, will work. And as simple as just copying a link and pasting it in there. So I'm gonna just exit this out. And then if I'm happy with it, I'll just hit publish. And then basically it's just publish that portion of my website. So if I go to visit site now, what I'll have, if I go to my dashboard, and then go to all pages, you'll see that I'll have now an about me page, and which basically is the page that we just worked on. It tells you the author. So if you have, say, for example, different people that have access to your website, well, they'll be able to kind of filter and say, okay, this person worked on this. This person, maybe typed this post or whatever. So it's a pretty cool little feature as well. Again, if you want to edit, just click edit and it takes you right back to everything. And if you make your changes, just click update. So again, those are basically going to be the basic kind of guidelines that you'll be using to create your pages, and any posts within a page that you want. Again, all the pages, you will have a home page, an about me page where you talk about yourself, portfolio page where you'll provide links to your work, and then a contact page where you basically have a page where people can reach you for any more or additional information. So in the next video, what I'll do, I'll show you basically how to customize your website based on the different themes offered in WordPress.